Afterpay's virtual card is a powerful feature that enables shop anywhere functionality, allowing you to make buy now, pay later purchases at any store, even those without direct Afterpay integration. The primary method to access your virtual card is through the Afterpay mobile app. This is the most convenient and commonly used approach. Follow these 7 simple steps. Open the Afterpay mobile app and log in. Tap the Card tab at the bottom of your screen. Select Virtual Card or Shop Anywhere, then tap Get Card Details or the card image itself. You'll see your 16-digit card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Use the Copy function to easily transfer these details for your purchase. The second method is accessing your virtual card through the Afterpay website on your computer or mobile browser. Visit afterpay.com and log into your account. Navigate to the card section in your dashboard, then click Virtual Card or Digital Card. Click Reveal Card Details to view your card information, then copy the details for your purchase. The third method is a new feature for 2025, generating a QR code for in-store purchases. This method is perfect when you're shopping in physical stores. Open the Afterpay app when you're ready to check out. Select Pay in Store to generate a QR code that contains your encrypted card details. Present this QR code to the cashier or scan it at self-checkout terminals for instant payment processing. These 3 methods give you flexible access to your Afterpay virtual card in 2025. Whether you prefer using your mobile app, accessing through a web browser, or generating QR codes for in-store shopping, Afterpay provides convenient options for every shopping scenario. Understanding the technical details and security features of your Afterpay virtual card is crucial for safe and effective usage. Afterpay virtual card numbers have a limited lifespan for security purposes. Each card number is typically valid for only 24 to 48 hours after generation. For enhanced security, Afterpay may generate a completely new card number for each transaction. This dynamic approach significantly reduces the risk of fraud and unauthorized usage. Afterpay virtual cards operate on major payment networks, including MasterCard and Visa, depending on your geographic region. This ensures broad merchant acceptance worldwide. Afterpay implements multiple layers of security to protect your virtual card transactions. These include end-to-end encryption, biometric authentication, and real-time fraud monitoring. To maximize security and ensure smooth transactions, follow these best practices. Always verify merchant acceptance before generating card details. Use the card immediately after generation and keep your Afterpay app updated. If you encounter issues, here are common solutions. If your card is declined, check your spending limit and account status. If card details have expired, simply generate a new card number through the app. Afterpay serves over 20 million active users globally, with virtual card transactions now accounting for 35% of all Afterpay purchases. This demonstrates the growing importance and reliability of the virtual card system.